Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to block someone on Viber. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Viber on your phone. Tap on the purple chat button from the bottom. And select a contact you want to block. Then tap the name of that contact from the top. A new menu will open. At the bottom you will see, block this contact. Tap on it. That's it. The contact has been blocked. When you block any contact, won't be able to send your text message or call you. And also they can no longer see if you are online or not. So in this way, you can block someone on Viber. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.